Now is a great time to get into the mold industry. We're the only franchise that offers a unique list of services that applies to everyone. We're the best at what we do.
When Hurricane Irma hit us in late 2017, we began performing water mitigation and mold remediation to help our communities save their homes. Since being open for over a year, we've gained a great market share and are continuing to grow every day. A house is one of the biggest investments that people will make in their lifetime. Our goal is to make sure our clients are confident that we are there to help restore their homes from disasters.
This is one of the few multi-billion-dollar industries where you can start as a home business.
This is a great opportunity that requires a relatively low investment that allows you to get into the fast-growing industry. We're looking for franchisees who want to make a difference in the homes of the communities around them.
As a franchisee, you'll be joining us on a one-on-one training in South Florida. You will learn the ins and outs of the industry, how to convert potential clients into repeating customers, and much more.
As part of our commitment to your success, we will be available to you at any given time to make sure you achieve your goals. We look forward to you joining our MRT family.